Difference between solid, liquid and gas. Solids are rigid in comparison to liquid and gases. Liquid is not so rigid and the gases are also not rigid. Solids have a definite shape and volume, and this is because of the arrangement of molecules or particles in solids. In liquids, they have a definite volume but no definite shape. Gases neither definite shape nor definite volume. Now the next important characteristic is kinetic energy. Student, solid have the lowest kinetic energy, so vibrate very little. Actually, the kinetic energy is directly proportional to the motion of the particles or the molecules which are present in these all three states. Liquids have more kinetic energy, so particles slide past each other. Gases have the most kinetic energy, so fly around in the air. Next is the compressibility. Because of the strong force of attraction and the closeness of the particles in solid, it cannot be compressed. Liquids can easily be compressed, and you can take the example of LPG gas here. Gases can be compressed easily to some extent level. Now, the rigidity because of strong force of attraction. Student, in solids, particles are very close to each other. They have a force of attraction among them, and this force of attraction is so strong that they have a very strong among these all or between all these particles. In liquids, molecules are held tightly at an intermediate level. In gases, very weak attraction force are present because the space between the molecules or particles are very big or high. Now, density. Student, density is a measure of mass per unit volume. So according to that, solids and liquids have high densities. Solids have highest and then liquid because their particles are packed closely together, whereas the gases have low densities because their particles are very far apart. Next characteristic is the solids cannot flow easily. Liquids are known by the flowing property, and the gases flow and evaporates easily. In solids, particle diffusion rate is very low, and in liquids it is moderate, and in gases it's very high.